Have you ever encountered a situation where you need to provide the total number of records but depending upon one or more criteria? In case if you need to find number of records with exception and or multiple exceptions, which generally is a real life situation, the Excel's COUNTIFs function comes to rescue. Today in this video we will see how we can use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function in Microsoft Excel with help of some examples. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have a table here which contains commission paid for different projects in different years and months. We have few criteria on the basis of which we need to find the number of records. The basic difference between COUNTIF and COUNTIFs is that COUNTIF can handle only one criteria whereas COUNTIFs can handle multiple. The maximum number of criteria that COUNTIFs can handle is 127, which I guess is more than enough. So let's start with our first task. Our criteria here is we need to find number of records where month is January. Since we have only one criteria here, we will use COUNTIF. Our formula goes like equal to COUNTIF open parenthesis. We need to provide the range of our criteria, which is A2 till A101, comma. Our criteria is January in cell G3, close parenthesis. And we got the result. Now let us verify with our table, and the result is perfect. Now let us move to another task. Our criteria here are we need to find number of records where month is June and year is 2014. Since we have multiple criteria here, we will use COUNTIFs. Our formula goes like equal to COUNTIFs open parenthesis. Our first criteria range is A2 till A101, comma, and criteria is June in cell G4, comma. Our next criteria range is B2 till B101, comma, and criteria is 2014 in cell H4, close parenthesis, and we got our result. Now let us verify with our table, and the result is perfect. Now let us move to our next task. We have three criteria here. We will copy the formula from above and add the third criteria, where our range is in project column from D2 till D101, comma, and our criteria is A4 in cell I5, close parenthesis. Let us verify our result. Even this is right. In our next task, we will be using wildcard and try to count records where the project are starting with D. We'll just copy formula from above and we got our result. We can even use our wildcard in starting. Let's change this to *1 and it works. So this could be good when we want to use partial value for our criteria. Let us move to our next task, where we will be using numeric column in criteria range and comparison operator along with number in criteria. Let us check this in our task where in addition to other criteria, we even want only commission more than 5,000 should be included in the counting. Let us copy the formula from above and change the project criteria range from project column to commission column and change project criteria to commission criteria, and we are done. We only need to keep in mind that when we add comparison operators like greater than or lesser than, and if we are not putting them in cell like this and we are directly writing in the formula, then it needs to be in quotation. Alternatively, we can even keep comparison operator in quotation and concatenate our number with ampersand. One tip before we conclude this video, I will suggest you to always use COUNTIFs even if you have only one criteria, because COUNTIFs is even capable of handling single criteria. So you don't have to choose between the two formulas, even you will start getting hang on COUNTIFs. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.